Whoa, be careful the wood. Whoa.
I'm standing on a bucket.
Welcome back to the Island Caper. We are still here at Port Townsend, still refitting this boat to be a dinner cruise. Have not given on this pipe dream of ours. Kind of finished all the pipe stuff, but
Pipe nightmare. This is our pipe nightmare. Welcome back. So where you guys are at right now is we're pulling the boat out of the water after a really sweet transit. A bright, bushy-tailed group of us thought it would be a couple months. And where are we at now?
It's over a year and a month later.
Oh, and we're in this square hole putting our first piece of galley equipment into the galley, our oven.
And a year and a month later, we're getting ready to splash here in the next couple weeks.
Yeah, and you didn't even get to experience the transit over. Pat was off jet setting somewhere, but he's been here for all the horrible stuff.
In Europe.
Yeah.
South traffic out of Cape. We departed Squalicum Harbor. We're bound for Port Townsend.
Will you please like and subscribe on our Patreon account so we can afford a good beer and we won't have to be in this hole anymore.
Or just not feel the need to get, drunk every night.
Yeah, that's true. Will you help curb our alcoholism by softening the fiscal responsibilities of opening a fine dining dinner cruise with your high school friends and refitting a 40-year-old boat? I don't even know how old this boat is.
We're getting up there.
It's Monday morning. We're here in Port Townsend. It's about 7:40 in the morning and we're getting ready to haul her out. We got the mains on, as you can see. We have the tachometers over there.
The purring.
I think we're gonna go in that lift. That lift over there.
Being strung up like a whale.
I need a copy of our insurance.
And we can't find the digital copy of the insurance to print out. And they won't haul us out of the water until we have it.
Need insurance. Uh-oh, and I don't know where the agent, whether or not he sent this. Hey, good. How about yourself? Good, good. Hey, so we actually we're going to haul out right now, and I was looking through my email. I thought I had a copy of our proof of insurance, but it turns out that we don't. And if you could just maybe send that over to us, I need to run up and give it to the yard office, so get them to haul us. Awesome, thank you much. All right, thanks. Bye. Sounded like he was in his car, but he said he'd get that right over.
What do you want?
These back ones are going to be exactly where your marks are.
Okay.
The middle ones are going to be exactly where your marks are. The forward ones are going to be about 1.5 to 2 feet forward of those marks.
Okay.
And after the morning debacle of the insurance, it's finally time to actually cut lines and get this thing into her slings. And here is the final footage of the last time the Island Caper was in the water. Man, did that go by fast. Everything was going great until either the wind or prop walk was starting to set us into that wall on our starboard side. And in case you were wondering, the Port of Port Townsend staff, they take their job really seriously. This guy right there, he really put his back into it to keep us off there. Thank you.
How's she looking in there, Kenny?
Pretty good. She cleaned up really fast.
I was surprised. 3 pressure washers are
3
nice.
pressure washers, boom, done.
Boom.
And these aren't like your run-of-the-mill pressure washers. These are like some
Badass.
Yeah, it's probably the nicest pressure washer I've ever used.
Nice. You approve?
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't have to do this because I climbed into the fuel tank.
Oh, today?
No, the other day.
Oh.
We trade off crappy jobs. You know?
That seems fair.
Yeah. Yeah, and there's plenty of them. So.
Right, there's plenty on a boat this size.
Yeah.
What did you find?
I'm hitting the ball.
Dude, I found a. Did you find a ball? Oh shit!
There's a driver, dude.
Alright, I'm filming this. No pressure.
Send it!
You hit that boat? Come on. Oh, didn't go nearly that far. Wow, look at that. It's like it's lowered. It's all murdered out. There goes the crew. They're gone. And then there were 3. And then there were 3. Gone, all that was left to do was stand around and film this beautiful work happening. And did you hit that like and subscribe button? Oh, and check out our Patreon page yet? I know you did. Thank you for watching. This was a fun episode for us. This was the last time the boat was ever in the water, and it's really just the beginning of the journey. Like we've said a million times, it's been over a year. You're gonna be seeing a lot more of Pat. He got to miss the fun part, and
I don't know, the rest is pretty fun too.
Yeah, but hey, leave a comment below if you have any aspects of the story that you want to see. There is a lot of footage. And there's a lot of complexity to this project, obviously. Anything else?
Yeah, so this is, like you were saying, this is just the start of our journey, and everything gets a lot more interesting, and a lot of crazy stuff happens from here on out.
And things are about to get really dirty.
About how much I should smile. How's that fuzzy thing? Boop, boop, boop. You see any red?
No.
Red. How about now?
I think it's good.